Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox background black. First, open the Roblox application or website on your device. Look for the gear icon, typically found in the top right corner, and click it to access the settings menu. Once inside, you'll need to navigate to either the Account Info or Privacy tab to proceed with changing your display theme. After reaching the correct tab, search for an option labeled Theme or Display. You will likely see choices like Light and Dark. Select the Dark option to initiate the black background. It's crucial to then save your changes, often by clicking a Save or Apply button, to ensure the new theme is successfully implemented across your Roblox interface. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your Roblox client is updated to its latest version, as older versions might lack the dark theme option. Also, check your device's operating system display settings. Sometimes a system-wide dark mode can influence app themes. For browser users, consider installing a reputable third-party browser extension designed to force dark themes on websites, offering an alternative solution. Switching to a black background offers several advantages. It significantly reduces eye strain, making your gaming sessions more comfortable, particularly in low-light environments. For devices with OLED screens, a dark theme can also help conserve battery life, as black pixels are essentially turned off. Furthermore, the increased contrast can make text and game elements stand out more clearly, improving overall readability and focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.